was a family picture we took Christmas of last year, and I just really wasn't happy with my appearance. I had went ahead and shaved my head by that time and decided to go the bald route, which I think I'll be more comfortable with as I grow older, and that might be a route I decided to take, but I just really wasn't happy with the way I looked in the picture. So it was all the way back in December, and that's when I started looking into the hair surgery and looking for solutions. But I think I remember looking at that picture and thinking, I'm just really not happy with how I look. It's an insecurity of mine that's impacting my, my mood and just my overall, I think, mental well-being. So I saw that picture and I really started looking for options.